say goodbye to air terminals and say hello to the self-balancing SAV Smart Air Valve with ITAC Intelligent Air Control. A simplified business solution changing the current laborious business model by creating a new, simplified value chain. Patented variable orifice plate technology solved a complex CFD equation that has been the basis for HVAC flow measurement and control, leading to an inefficient building technologies model. The SAV is the most economical way to measure and control low airflows over a wide dynamic range with a single-size self-balancing intelligent air terminal device. Using patented variable orifice plate technology, featuring up to a 100-to-1 turndown with up to plus or minus 3% airflow accuracies. The SAV is so accurate, it can measure its own low damper leakage at 100% closed. Available in round and low-profile rectangular body styles, including custom variable aspect dimensions. With the industry-leading disrupting turndown up to 100-to-1, the SAV can accurately control any flow, which leads to greater design and flexibility for the engineer and the building owner. Because of the patented advanced variable orifice technology, the SAV is truly pressure independent. It will meet the airflow set point and pressure without the need for field K-factor adjustments. Low profile, high performance, low air pressure drop, slanted and upright coils with factory installed project-specific hydronics are available. Coils are available in cooling, heating, or combination coils for humidity control. Project-specific piping packages are available, including 6-way control valves enabling heating and cooling from a single coil. The low-profile, high-performance slanted coil design adds additional coil face area in a compact footprint, resulting in low pressure drop. Can design for 120 to 140 degree Fahrenheit entering water temperature with a low air pressure drop, saving fan energy.